Hey friends, my name is Monty and this is my wife Jay and welcome to our YouTube channel.
So guys, for like almost more than 2 years, we have been watching so many different YouTube channels, so many YouTube videos. और हमें हमेशा ऐसे लगता था कि हम लोग अपनी लाइफ स्टोरीज आपके साथ शेयर करना चाहते हैं. So here we are with our brand new YouTube channel. And रही बात नर्वस होने की, so हम लोग नर्वस हैं. Actually हम हैं nervous क्योंकि you know how it is, like there are like so many things going on behind each and every YouTube video. बहुत सारा काम होता है जो बैकग्राउंड में करना पड़ता है और हमें हमेशा लगता था हम लोग कैसे सीखने वाले हैं, हम लोगों से होगा नहीं होगा, कैसा रिस्पॉन्स आएगा. बट वी वर लाइक सो मच इंटरेस्टेड इन डूइंग इट दैट वी डिसाइडेड yes we have to do it. So here we are. And ठीक है, we want you guys to be a part of our daily lives. So that is why we have started this YouTube channel, so that you guys can stay connected with us and we will move forward together.
So basically, to start with our YouTube channel, what we have decided is we are going to take a long trip, and we are taking a long trip to West Coast. So basically we are going to touch down Pacific Ocean.
Yeah.
And we are actually heading tomorrow, so our bags and then everything is all packed. So basically after work tomorrow we are going straight on our trip. So one spoiler alert.
Uh-oh.
So basically the highway which we are actually taking, so this highway also goes all the way to Alaska.
I'm excited.
Yes.
I mean, we are not going to Alaska right now because of course it's the part of US.
Yeah, but we will be super close to it. Hopefully everything goes well on our trip.
Yes.
And please subscribe our channel.
Please press the bell icon so that you guys will get the notification हमारी videos कब आने वाली है, right?
So see you tomorrow.
Stay connected, guys.
Yeah.
We used to hang around town pretty late. I spent the week thinking about our next date. It was easier then. So much easier.
अभी तक नहीं पढ़ा, कितना टाइम लगेगा?
बस हो गया.
कहाँ जा रहे हो? लो जी, हस्बैंड जी तो चले गए. So it's okay. हम थोड़ा सा वेट करते हैं. Let him come back. And धूप बहुत ज़्यादा तेज निकल
Take
रही
me
है.
back to those easy summer days when we stopped at nothing, babe. Yeah, we stopped at nothing, baby.
हम कहाँ जा रहे हैं?
Prince Rupert Island.
Okay. And यहाँ से कितना दूर है? कितनी देर की ड्राइव है?
Almost 1800 kilometers.
That is like almost 20 hours.
Yes. But we will be taking breaks and rest.
Okay.
So we are sleeping tonight in Jasper.
Okay, so this is the first time we are going that side, right?
Yes, it will be our first time.
So technically Canada में सिर्फ दो ही weathers होते हैं, right? या seasons होते हैं. One is winter, another is construction. क्योंकि winters में तो कोई कुछ कर नहीं सकता है. And once it is summer, it's like construction everywhere. या तो आप घूमने जाओगे या फिर मशीनें चलवाओगे.
So guys, we live in Calgary. So Calgary is basically pretty close to the mountains. So if you have to go to the mountains, then it's only like 150 kilometers away. And the closest town we have for the mountains, that would be
Take me back to those easy summer days when we
So हम लोग almost 50 किलोमीटर से ज़्यादा क्रॉस कर चुके हैं, right? कैलगरी से
65 kilometers.
65 kilometers are already done. And it's nice.
Yeah, in what? Half an hour?
Yeah.
65 kilometers.
winter or spring or fall, we felt so alive and girl we were thriving.
And ये black गाड़ी, ये वाली undercover cop है, right?
Yeah, and in front of him, it's an actual cop car.
When we stopped at nothing, babe. Yeah, we stopped at nothing, baby.
Pulled over.
They couldn't change us.
Okay guys, so we have reached in Banff National Park. So basically what you see in front of us is you have to purchase a pass to enter in a national park, but there's a two option. If you're visiting a park, like you're basically going inside a park, then you have to purchase a pass. Otherwise, you can just go straight if you're not going into a park. So we are just driving by. Be careful if you ever visit here. So if you're planning on staying in Banff National Park, so just make sure you purchase a pass.
We used to hang around town pretty late. I spent the week thinking about our next day. It was easier then.
So guys, this is our first stop. So we have stopped at the Lake Louise.
A kind of mini break, right?
Yeah, like a pit stop.
Yeah.
So basically we are going to use a washroom and maybe grab a cup of coffee, and we will see if we can find some snack.
Take me back to those easy summer days when we stopped at nothing, babe. Yeah, we stopped at nothing, baby. They couldn't take us, they couldn't change us, they couldn't catch us if they tried. Now we didn't care at all.
तो लेट है बहुत
About
ज़्यादा.
winter or spring or
कितना?
9 o'clock we're supposed to check in, but
Hey,
we're sitting in Lake Louise right now, enjoying this view.
getting tan. और मेरी coffee?
Coffee on this.
Okay.
Okay, then let's go.
Okay guys, let's go.
Alright guys, so we tried to take a pit stop just to use a quick washroom and maybe clean our car a little bit, but because of COVID-19 there was a huge lineup in front of the gas station, so we couldn't use the washroom.
And I even didn't get my coffee.
And yeah, we also wanted to grab a cup of coffee and we didn't get that either. But now we just left Lake Louise, so now we are on a highway from Lake Louise to Jasper. So that's where we are making our first, basically we are spending our first night.
they couldn't catch us if they tried. Now we didn't care at all about winter or spring or fall. We felt so alive.
Hi there. We're going to New Hazelton. It's in BC. So
This is a parkway, so day pass is gonna be $20 right to use a parkway.
okay, so even though we are going to BC, we still have to buy the pass.
Yeah, this is the common highway. Yeah,
Okay, sure.
They couldn't take us, they couldn't change us, they couldn't catch us if they tried. No, we didn't care at all.
Oops. Sure, thank you. Okay, stick this on. So this is basically a piece of paper is our day pass for 24 hours.
Okay.
So guys, this is a Bow Lake. So while going Jasper, you will get to see a lot of lakes. And this is one of the nice ones. So guys, this is a Bow Lake. It is one of the nicest lake you can come to while going to Jasper from Lake Louise. Look at this water. So nice. Like nice turquoise color. I can say maybe camera is not doing it justice while recording this, but you have to come in person to actually come and see the color of the water. What do you think about the lake?
It's nice, so nice.
Just nice?
I mean, I cannot describe it.
Yeah, see, you're here in person. Look at the view.
It's super good.
Super good, eh?
Yep.
Oh, so beautiful. Okay guys, so we're giving you another glimpse of this lake, the Bow Lake, which I just mentioned. So this is another viewpoint basically.
So this is the another side of this lake. जो अभी हम आप लोगों को दूसरी साइड से, you know, from the highway side we were showing you the same thing. So I think this is a better view for this side. And जिन लोगों ने that Bollywood movie, right, कोई मिल गया देखी है, उनको मैं बता दूँ, there was a song, हैला हैला हुआ हुआ, right? So that song was shot on this bridge, this one.
And
here.
they showed Shimla
Yeah,
for some
and they were
reason.
yeah exactly. So for some reason those guys were like, this is India, this is India. So no, that was not India. This was the same location. And there is another lake, Lake Moraine. So that was also a part of that song.
But look at the water.
Yes.
So clean.
It's
So clean.
so super nice. And it's cold. Yes, it's cold. Yep. Oh, it's so crystal clear. Look at this.
Right there, that is a glacier.
Yeah.
Right there.
Yes. And this is us. Oh. And look at this red cottage.
It's a large.
You can stay here, right?
Yes. So during summertime, you can stay here. But to get this view, it will be super expensive. Imagine you wake up in the morning and having a view like this, and also in the evening you can have a good sunset.
Yes. And this is the lodge where you guys can stay. तो अभी हम लोग जा रहे हैं उस साइड जहाँ पे ये ग्लेशियर का पानी सारा का सारा मेल्ट होकर नीचे आ रहा है. It is a kind of very mini lake. So let's see how close we can go to the glacier. Okay guys, so बहुत ज़्यादा ठंड लग रही है. मुझे पता है गर्मियाँ चल रही है इस टाइम, पर हाँ शाम को इस टाइम एक्चुअली अच्छी खासी हवा चल रही है, आप लोग देख सकते हो. और बाई चांस ये जैकेट लेके आई बिकॉज इट्स सुपर इंटेलिजेंट, यू नो. सो इट्स कोल्ड. और अभी हम लोग हैं आइसफील्ड पार्क. इट्स लाइक 100 kilometers away from Jasper. It's not that far, but
Yeah.
it's nice. So that side is the glacier.
Sorry guys for this shaky video and so much wind. We're trying our best, but it's so windy, but it's so beautiful. Look, it's evening and such an amazing soft light from the sun.
Chote crow. They are enjoying their own view. Okay, I should move away from them. So you guys can see अच्छा खासा crowd है यहाँ पे भी, और लोग all the way, ये जो सब रास्ता दिख रहा है यहाँ पे छोटा छोटा हाइक करके they are going all the way up there to the glacier. And yeah, this is the place where all that water is coming down to. Okay, मैं तो गाड़ी में आ गई हूँ. Hi husband. हाँ, so अभी जैकेट निकालो प्लीज, बैठो और ड्राइविंग करो. वी होप आप लोगों को ग्लेशियर बहुत पसंद आया होगा, बट मेन पॉइंट जो मैं यहाँ पे बोलना चाहती हूँ कि हम लोग सजेस्ट करते हैं कि रात के टाइम पे आप स्पेशली अकेले तो इस रास्ते पे बिल्कुल ड्राइव ना करें, क्योंकि यहाँ पे इतना ज्यादा सडन वेदर चेंज होता है कि आपको पता ही नहीं चलेगा. 1 मिनट में धूप है और रात को इतना ज्यादा फॉग हो सकता है कि शायद आपको सड़क भी नहीं दिखाई देगी. तो हम लोग सजेस्ट करेंगे, क्योंकि वाइल्ड लाइफ बहुत ज्यादा है यहाँ पे, और यू डोंट वांट टू गेट इनटू एनी सॉर्ट ऑफ एक्सीडेंट विद एनिमल्स और विद एनी अनदर कार बिकॉज ऑफ दैट सडन वेदर चेंज. सो अगर हमारी एडवाइस आप माने तो प्लीज अगर आप यहाँ पे आते हैं तो रात को बिल्कुल भी अकेले ड्राइव ना करें। पॉसिबल हो तो आप प्लीज रात का स्टे कहीं पे ले लें, कोई लॉज में, किसी मोटेल में, बट कोशिश करें कि आपको रात को इस हाईवे के ऊपर ड्राइव ना करना पड़े। सो अभी कितना बज गया? अभी बज गया रात का 9:30। अभी भी बाहर कितना ज़्यादा उजाला है, तो टेक्निकली दिन बहुत लंबे हैं। सो ये है छोटा सा क्यूट सा टाउन जेस्पर, जहाँ से एज अ रिचुअल हमें पोस्ट कार्ड लेके जाना है। मतलब हम ऐसा करते हैं कि रेदर देन बाइंग समथिंग एक्सपेंसिव एंड यू नो कुछ एंटीक पीसेस और समथिंग, उसकी जगह हम प्रेफर करते हैं कि हम हर टाउन का एक पोस्ट कार्ड अपने साथ लेके जाएं।
Just for a good memory.
या हाँ, वाकई में हमें कुछ वाकई में अच्छा लगता है तो हम उसको लेके जाते हैं ऑफ कोर्स, बट हाँ पोस्ट कार्ड इज मस्ट, वो तो जाएगा ही जाएगा।
They are super cheap. It can cost you maybe like 50 cents to a
Hardly a
dollar.
dollar, yeah.
Right? But at least you have
It's
a
your
postcard.
collection, yeah. जब हम लोग बूढ़े हो जाएंगे तो हम बैठ के उस डब्बे को खोल के देखेंगे हम कहाँ कहाँ गए थे। गाइस हम लोग जेस्पर पहुंच चुके हैं, हम लोग अपने हॉस्टल पहुंच चुके हैं। बस अब अभी हमें अंदर जाना है। वी हैव टू जस्ट चेक इन एंड सी हमारे बेड्स कहाँ पे, राइट?
And the reason why we are actually staying in a hostel is basically we are just spending
Just a night.
just the night
Yeah.
here, and we will be continuing our trip further from here tomorrow. So just to sleep for one night. Okay, so hostels are pretty cheap, especially in this town.
Yeah, just to sleep, you don't want to waste too much of money. So this is our hostel, Jasper Downtown Hostel. Like it is very easy to find, right? Because
Put it on
yeah,
Google
just go to downtown. So here it is saying there is no vacancy. Thank God हम लोगों ने already online booking करवा ली थी, तो हमें सोने के लिए at least जगह मिल गई है। So let's go inside, and it's cheap, super cheap.
Booked in the 7-bed room, so you that there is 1, 2, 3, 4. There's 5 people in the 7-bed room. So
Okay, so
we're
once
sleeping on top of each other.
each other. Okay.
Yes.
Okay, sure. Okay.
Here we are. So each person would be $42.50.
40 to 50. Okay.
$42.50.
Including tax.
That's tax including.
Okay.
Did you want a receipt? There you go. And then. Okay, so you're up the stairs and to the right, and just keep on going straight, and you'll come to room number T. And as soon as you walk in, you're right behind the door, and it's like 1 and 2. Okay. Here's your cards. Wi-Fi password is on this one.
Okay.
Okay. I'll be leaving shortly, so when you come back in, you'll need to use your cards to get into the door. When you check out,
This door?
This door, yeah, it'll be shut. When you check out in the morning, you take your linens and put it in the corresponding bins right along the wall. Okay.
Like these bins, like
These
the white
bins,
ones.
yeah.
Okay.
All the way down. You gotta haul it all the way
Okay,
down.
okay, that's fine.
Okay. Where you parked?
Actually on the street.
Okay. I get you to just right down here. Just we don't want you to get cold unnecessarily. So on your bed is a fitted sheet. So this is your flat sheet. There's a pillowcase on there, and your towel. And your washroom is like right from the fridge. Okay. Are you okay? Did you need the kitchen at all?
Yes, actually. We want to warm up.
मैडम ने बोला अपना खाना गर्म कर लो क्योंकि किचन तो बंद हो जाएगी 5 मिनट में, और किचन है नीचे। तो अभी हम अपना ये खाने वाला बड़ा सामान लेके जा रहे हैं नीचे, क्योंकि हमें अब खाना गर्म करना है, इससे पहले कि किचन बंद हो जाए। पति के हाथ का बना हुआ नम पनीर एंड पुदीने की चटनी। दिस इज व्हाट वी आर कैरिंग जस्ट फॉर टुनाइट। And Mom, can I this right? So, अब लोग देख सकते हो सामान यहाँ पे सारा है, आपको जो भी चाहिए बस आपको इतना करना है। आप जो भी गर्म कर रहे हो, जो भी बर्तन आप यूज़ कर रहे हो, वो आपको सारे के सारे धो के रखने वाले रख के जाना है। सॉरी। सो जी हम कर रहे हैं अपनी फटाफट से रोटियाँ गर्म। सो गाइस हमारा खाना बिल्कुल खाने के लिए तैयार है। हम लोगों ने गर्म कर लिया है अच्छे से, और मैं आपको किचन दिखाऊं। किचन में यहाँ पे सारी फैसिलिटीज़ अवेलेबल हैं जिनकी भी आपको ज़रूरत पड़ सकती है अपना खाना तैयार करने के लिए। आई मीन यू कैन कुक, यू कैन वार्म अप द फूड एंड यू कैन डू एवरीथिंग, बट द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग इज इस तरह के काउंटर्स बने हुए हैं जहाँ पे आपको अपने यूज़ किए हुए बर्तन धो के रख के जाने हैं। और यहाँ पे फ्रिज है, फ्रीज़र है, सो एंड दीज आर फ्यू लॉकर्स दे हैव गिवन यू। सो आप क्या कर सकते हो, इस तरह से आप स्टिकी नोट लगा के अपना नाम लिख के अपना फूड किचन में एक्चुअली छोड़ सकते हो और वो सेफ रहेगा। आई मीन यहाँ पे सब कुछ सेफ है, कोई हाथ नहीं लगाएगा, कोई नहीं छूने वाला है। सो यू कैन एंजॉय योर फूड, लीव इट हियर, बट बस अपने बर्तन धोने के बाद साफ करके पोंछ के लगा के रख के जाइए प्लीज़। ओके ओके, अब हम आपसे मिलते हैं खाना खाने के बाद।
So guys, we have named our ice packs. So now they go in a freezer. So just because we have named them now, so nobody's going to touch it. And we close the door.
और ये गया हमारा बैग। थोड़ा टेढ़ा करके रखना पड़ेगा। यस, आ गया। एंड हियर goes the label. See you tomorrow morning.
We just have one of those things.